Okay, so for the following circuit, we have to find R Norton and I Norton. Let's start with finding R Norton. So R Norton is equal to RTH. So let's start by turning off all independent sources. So this one will be replaced with the short circuit, so closed wire. But we can't turn off this one because this is a dependent source. So let's rewrite the circuit down here. Oh, whoops, hold on. There we go. All right. So we actually know what Ix will be equal to. Ix will actually be equal to 0 because all current will actually pass through this wire, and it will never pass through this wire, because pretty much when the current enters this node, it's gonna see which one has no resistors. If they both have resistors, they'll pass through both of them like a breakup. But if it notice that one part has no resistors and one part has a resistor, it's gonna avoid it, okay? Because current is gonna choose the direction that's easiest for it to move through. So all the current will be moving through here. So Ix will be 0. That means this will be 0 as well. And that means we can ignore this part of the circuit and this part of the circuit. We're just left with this part. So RTH is equal to 5 ohms. And that's what R Norton is. R Norton is also equal to 5 ohms. Now we can find I Norton. So I Norton will be the current passing through here if we do a short circuit or like add like a closed wire here. So let's call this region VA, and we actually know what VA is. VA will be equal to 10 volts here. So this is actually 10 volts. And we can find Ix through knowing that this region is 10 volts. We know if the current, we know Ix will be equal to 10 volts minus 0 all over 4, and that's 2.5. And now we can find the current here. So it will be 2 times Ix, which is 2.5. So this one will be 5 amps. That's entering this node. Now if we find the current passing through here, we can find In. So we actually know what the voltage here will be. So this is technically connected to the ground node. So this region will be 0 volts here. So let's find this I value. It will be 10 minus 0 all over 5, which will be equal to 2. So there's a 2 amps of current entering the node and 5 amps of current entering the node. 2 plus 5, that's 7 amps, and In is leaving. So this one will be In will be 7. So that now we found our Norton. Now let's write the Norton circuit. And there we go.